Hey, we're here at Duquoin Street Machine Nationals, running into Brett here with his 91 R3500 Chevy. Beautiful truck. Brett, tell us about your truck a little bit.
I purchased this vehicle in November of 2019. It was a county highway vehicle for Sevier County, Tennessee. Purchased it down in Pigeon Forge. It was originally a 454 throttle bodied truck with a 4-speed. To be totally honest with you, I sold out of a business, and my wife told me, she said, why don't you go out and buy a new truck? And I said, okay. So here we go, and I bring this thing home, and she looks at it and it's like, well, thinking I'm outside of my mind. So I had a little bit of an idea of what I'd like to have, and this all come about because prior to the purchase of this vehicle, I found one satin black and red on eBay, got outbid with 4 seconds left on the bidding.
Oh, no.
Contacted the seller, and I said, if something falls through, let me know. They were in Scottsdale, Arizona. So these guys called me back and they said, hey, this is falling through. So I send them money, sign doc papers, book a flight with a layover in Vegas. We think we're going to get a Saturday night in Vegas, And then 2 days before we leave, the guy says, hey, the purchaser got a hold of us. We're going to have to send you your money back.
Oh, no.
So I thought, I'm going to build one. So then we make that trip to Pigeon Forge and pick this truck up.
Walk us around and tell us what's going on.
Sure. This is actually a Toyota paint color, Voodoo Blue. The 91, but I love the round eye trucks.
Oh, yeah.
So Burke's Upholstery, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, did the seats. Fabric is from a Volkswagen Westphalia van. We switched everything over to an automatic because I'll tell you shortly about the LS swap that we've done. All new chrome for this thing. 22-inch GM Transit wheels. All new exhaust, Flowmaster exhaust.
Was this a short bed when you got it?
Yes, it had already been cut to a short bed when I got it. But what I run into was, stuff was just kind of rough with the truck. So all new sheet metal around the outside of the truck. So virtually everything is new here. Wife and I wanted something that we could drive around the country in, and so that led us into the 5.3 swap that went into this truck. And we didn't do a whole heck of a lot there. Left the drivetrain pretty well bone stock with it.
Simple, reliable.
Well, here's the thing. It's a 5,000-pound truck.
Right.
If I really wanted something that was gonna, for lack of better terms, haul ass, I probably wouldn't went with something so heavy.
I hear you.
Reliability and drivability, and that's just all we're shooting for there.
Yeah.
What do we got under the hood?
All right. So what we have here, this is a 2014 5.3 liter. Purchased this mated with the 6L80. Removed the throttle body 454, the manual 4-speed. Again, I wanted to drive this thing up and down the interstate. I didn't want to have to worry about running through gears, and honestly, with the 4-speed, run out of gears at 40 mile an hour, and you're just, anything above that, you're screaming.
Yep.
So
running stock computer in this thing?
Yeah, stock computer. Higgins Customs, Waltonville, Illinois, took care of me with my everything I needed with my tuning. Barry and Jason, they're fantastic guys, and they did a great job of taking care of it there. I didn't, like I was telling you guys earlier, really wasn't going for the whole car show truck type thing. I wanted something unique. I wanted something nice, and so under the hood, I wanted it to look like it was meant to be. So if GM would have done this, 40 years ago, I wanted this look.
Yep. And I think you nailed it. It looks like it belongs there. So you got the Hydro Boost brakes on it.
Yeah.
And it looks
great.
Hydro
Boost. We did Manifolds come from Summit. They're just like the Hooker manifolds, really hugged in there tight. Allowed me to have plenty of room between with this 1-ton frame, bigger, thicker frame. We knew we were going to be tight on dimensions, so that's the setup we run with there. The vintage air system, because we tubbed the front fenders and got a little lower, so you know, everybody that messes with these knows when you start getting a little bit lower, you start running out of room with the factory AC setups. So vintage air here, and let's see, bracketry for our sanding compressor come from Holly, which is just a nice, natural, supposed to be there look. You know, to relocate that compressor from down low because we had clearance issues.
Right.
Pretty slick. We're going to walk around and take a look at your truck.
Absolutely.
Nice. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little
Thank
bit.
you guys so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, killer truck. You nailed it.